I'm gonna show you how to change your YouTube password. First, you go to your icon here to the right and you click on the settings button. Then you go to edit on Google. And once you go there, just click off here to the right and go to your icon again and hit my account. Under my account, go down to sign in and security and scroll down until you see password. And you click on password. Then you enter your current password and hit next. Now you enter a new password. You got to make sure it meets the criteria. As you can see, I'm typing in something. You see it says too short, now it says strong. And then you can hit this icon if you want to see what you typed in and type it in again to confirm it and change password. And that's all to it. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.